Hello friends, welcome to Nand Kishore classes. Today's lecture is going to be very interesting. Please have a look at the question. We need to find the value of x where square root of x plus square root of x plus square root of x up to infinity. That means there is no end to it. This addition is given equal to 8. Usually you must have seen few videos where these type of questions are done in the shortcut. We are making this video to clarify the concept, because if your concept is clear, then these type of questions you can do anytime, because shortcuts you can forget, but basics helps forever. So here, how we need to start this question, please have a look. First of all, analyze it carefully. Having square root, then inside x plus again square root again x plus, same thing is going on up to infinity. Even if you remove one x, still it is the same, because infinity remains infinity. Infinity minus 1 is infinity, infinity plus 1 is infinity. You cannot identify which value is this. So there is an easy way of writing it, expressing it. What I am going to do, I am writing first value as it is, square root of x plus, I am writing it same way. Now consider this value, this whole value. It is still the same thing as the similar question, square root of x plus square root of x plus x going up to infinity. It is given it equal to 8. So I can directly write it 8. Considering the same given situation inside. This is the basic concept which is used here. Now, making shortcut is not difficult here. You do squaring both sides. Let me first cover it with basic concept, then we'll let you know how the shortcut works here. When you do squaring both sides, square root moves from the left side and right side. 8 square becomes 64, and your value of x will be 64 minus 8, and final answer for this question is going to be x is 56. Say 56 is the answer. Now when we go with the shortcut method, they usually say if you find plus sign here, then just do square of 8. Just do square of 8, then minus 8. But remembering the same concept becomes difficult. But now you know the basic concept that okay, at this place I can fill 8, doing the squaring, okay, same thing you will get. Hardly it will take seconds to do in mind. That is why I always say that in mathematics, before learning the tricks, your basic concepts should be more clear. Because if basics are clear, only then tricks can be remembered. Otherwise, learning the trick is easy, but remembering till exams, it is very difficult. I hope you are clear with the method, the way we have done this question. Thank you so much for watching today's video.